Okay, let's talk about this penthouse, Malak. Where are we?
Bardia, we are in Dubai Marina. Look at that beautiful view from the dining area. Sea view, Ain Dubai, Marina.
So we have basically, we got 4 marina views, we got sea views, address JBR, we got, so everything is fully furnished, you said as well, right?
Yes, exactly. It's
10 seating dining table,
yes.
marble,
plus
suede.
10 balconies all
10
around
balconies.
The penthouse.
So this was a 4-bedroom plus maid,
Exactly.
all of them en suite,
Yes.
fully furnished, and not one, numerous bathtubs. Incredible. So I just love the marble, travertine. Everything is really, really meticulously designed. And we have the wooden panels beautifully decorating behind the TV. And we have backlit lava stone here in this. Oh, this is not the actual kitchen. This is the wine cellar and the bar, right?
The actual kitchen is inside. It's fully travertine.
Fully travertine. But listen, let's talk about the 10 balconies and the views. This is incredible. Man, this bedroom couch is more comfortable than my living room couch. So I can work there, chill here, and sleep there. The question is, what is the damage, Malak?
Bardia, 6,755 square foot, 33 million.
Oh, that's a bargain right there.